Every good startup has to have a level of competence and a market that is providing them with fertile ground to grow. And what the tool does help you to is to figure out what a good market opportunity is. We've seen many startups that didn't ask that question initially and then had to pivot from one market to another market in a very painful process. And I think if a bit more reflection in the beginning and a little less focus on action right away would do a lot of good. The first step guides you to identify more opportunities, to understand really the properties of the competences of the technologies you have, the abilities of your startup, and try to see where you can apply them. And this is a very important step where you can be creative, where you should be creative and open-minded. The second step, it's about then, once you have seen multiple opportunities, to evaluate those, meaning you understand the potential and the challenge of these opportunities and try to understand how they differ from each other. Then the third step, it helps you to understand where to focus and what a good plan B or a good future growth option should be. And two words, you can work on your company and you can work in your company. And when you work in your company, it's basically your day-to-day business. You're like a little hamster maybe in a wheel. You talk to customers, you work with suppliers. All of this is important, but once in a while you should take the time to work on the company.